I'm Garth Tander, Supercars driver for Gary Rogers Motorsport, and what a lot of people don't know is I'm actually a mechanic as well. Don't ask me to service your car, it was a long time ago. But anyway, we're not here to talk about me, we're here to talk about tools, more specifically part of the huge Sptools range. Here we have the 16 volt 5-piece performance combo kit, and you get all this. Well, it starts with your drill, 11 torque clutch settings, high and low speed motor, 10mm chuck, variable speed trigger, impact wrench, 16 volt, 185 newton meters of torque. This thing will do up or undo anything. Your bit driver, 140 newton meters of torque. Great for those Phillips head bits that have been done up for 100 years. This will undo it. Your torch, you know, if you're like me, you leave it on a job, it's on the hook, under the bonnet of the car, you leave it on all night, come back the next morning, doesn't matter, because it only takes an hour for your battery to recharge. Same for all the tools that we have in our range, only 1 hour from dead flat to good to go again. Finally, my favourite toy, the battery powered grease gun. 16 volt, easy to use, no pumping, plug it in, pull the trigger and go. What's really cool about this battery is its size. Look how small it is, 16 volts. Secondly, there's a little microprocessor inside each battery, each tool and each charger. Those microprocessors talk to each other. When you're charging, the battery charger doesn't overcharge, doesn't undercharge, gets the battery charge right every time. When you're using the tool, the battery doesn't get drawn down too deep, doesn't hurt the battery.